Well, good morning, and I'm glad to see you joining me this beautiful morning. It's been raining all night, everything is wet and moist, and the air is so fresh. I'm actually visiting my old hometown, and this is a place where I spent a lot of time growing up, and actually part of my deep interest in ecology and nature. It's a stream area and there's a lot of deciduous forest and a lot of interesting features to look at. So I'm traveling quite light. I have a tripod, I have the GFX 100 Mark II and I'm using the 20 to 35 millimeter wide angle zoom today. I also have a few just ND filters to perhaps do some long exposures, but we'll see what we can come up with. So join me. So when I'm traveling light, I usually have my Gitzo tripod. It's the Gitzo GT2532, and I think it's a really lightweight carbon fiber tripod. And also I have this little Sunway Photo GH Pro 2 geared head. So this makes for a very lightweight and quite compact solution for going out in the field when you don't want to carry too much equipment. So I'll just set up the tripod and we'll pick up the camera and put on an ND filter here. So trying to catch some long exposure photos of just this kind of composition over here with the fallen log and the ferns and the streaming water in the front. Yep, so let's go. So I'm actually setting up my camera bag here as an extra weight on the tripod. So just using my old trusted GFX 100 Mark II with a 20 to 35 millimeter wide angle zoom here. And I'll try to go as wide as possible in this kind of situation. So I'm going for F11 here and just put up the ISO to about 400. Then we'll just use the shutter speed to adjust for a good exposure. So this is the kind of composition I'm seeing in front of me. I have the log who's going diagonally into the distance here and then meeting up here with all the ferns, and then we have the stream here in the front, and I will put an ND filter, not a very strong one, just to slow the movement of the water here a bit. So this is what I'm aiming for, and let's see what I can get. And I'm just using my circular filters from Cassie. I'll just start with the ND8 filters to see where I can get this exposure. And now we're just adjusting the shutter speed until it looks good, and I'll have a shutter speed of 1.3 seconds just to slow everything down a bit. See how it turns out. That is actually quite good. And there is not much wind today, so the leaves here on the bushes in the front doesn't move very much. Otherwise you'd have to compensate for that too, but I think this is quite good. Unfortunately, with the kind of rain that we had this night, a lot of the soil from the agricultural areas actually come down into the water in the stream, so it's quite brownish today, the water, so that doesn't make for quite attractive water images, but we'll make do with what we have. So I've set up the camera here for this fern here in the foreground, the stream in the background, and some logs and the ferns in the more distant background here. I'm on a 4-second shutter speed, f16, ISO 250, and also a 2-second timer to keep everything still, and I'm lucky because there's no wind. So here we go. Okay, so that's all for today's episode. I didn't have much time to spend here this morning, but hopefully I did get some keepers, and I had a really nice walk here in this lovely area. This is a place that I come back to as often as I can. So the chances are that you will see more photos from this place further along this path. So hopefully you enjoyed the photo walk as much as I did. It was a short one, but I'll be back with more content like this in the future. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, give me a thumbs up, and also I love to read your comments, and I always answer every single one of them. So hopefully we'll see each other again quite soon. Okay, all for now, folks. See you.